uvlami, uvlumi, onnoami, onokraktoami. I guess it really depends on what time you're watching this. But as you can see here are the Inuvialuktun short vowels and strong vowels. And before I go over these with you today, I just want to talk about the P's. And those actually are like our B's. So it's like ba as opposed to pa. And the next is our Q's. And our Q's are really strong and they come from the back of our throats. So it's like ka as opposed to ka. So, and next is the R. And that one here is got like a rolling RG sound. So like ra as opposed to ra, which is the R with the roof. And then our K's here, those actually have a soft G sound like ga as opposed to ka. But it really depends on when the K or the G sound is in a sentence. And that's where it gets kind of confusing, but I'm going to move on. And here we're going to say the T's are more like D's. So instead of saying ta, you're going to say da. And then over here are bar L's. Those are the like THL, like hla. Then down over here we have, you see we have an N and we have 3 different types of N's. So here's your traditional N, na. Here's like the N with the wave, and that's where you start like a ni, like in the word ni. So it's like na. And then over here the NG and the NNG sound, this is where you get the nga. So you kind of have to put a G in there, and this one you drag the N a little bit and go na. So now let me see if I can flip this over here, this camera. Okay, so now we know how to say these words. I hope you have these sheets in front of you. For those of you that don't, I'll see if I could somehow edit this photo into my video. I'm not going to make any promises. I'm not no tech guy. So let me try and just go along with me, okay? So here we go with the short vowels first. A, I, U. Ba, bi, bu. Ka, ki, ku. Ra, ri, ru. Ra, ri, ru. Ha, hi, hu. Ga, gi, gu. Da, di, du. Fa, fi, fu. Ya, yi, you. La, li, lu. Va, vi, vu. Ga, gi, gu. Hla, hli, hlu. Ma, mi, mu. Na, ni, nu. Cha, chi, chu. Na, ni, nu. Nga, ni, ngu. Nga, ni, ngu. So there's all these short vowels, and let's jump into the strong vowels. So beginning with a, I, u. A, I, u. Ba, bi, bu. Ka, ki, ku. Ra, ri, ru. Ra, ri, ru. Ha, hi, hu. Ga, gi, gu. Da, di, du. Fa, fi, fu. Ya, yi, you. La, li, lu. Va, vi, vu. Ga, gi, gu. Hla, hli, hlu. Ma, mi, mu. Na, ni, nu. Cha, chi, chu. Na, ni, nu. Na, ni, nu. Na, ni, ngu. Yeah, those last couple ones kind of hard with the double N, double vowel afterwards, but kuinaini for watching.